Indian green parrots can actually see ultraviolet light, which means they're seeing colors on each other that we can't even imagine. These birds are one of the few parrot species that build actual nests. Most parrots just find a hole in a tree and call it home. But green parrots dig tunnels into clay banks, sometimes 3 feet deep. Here's something wild though. They're one of the only birds that can survive on pure neem leaves, which are incredibly bitter and toxic to most animals. And they're not just mimicking sounds randomly. Studies show they actually assign meaning to specific calls and use them in context. Pretty incredible for a bird people think is just squawking.